Welcome to AD Kids TV. Hello friends, I am a letter D. I am a uppercase letter. Hi friends, I am a letter D. I am a lowercase letter. World starts with letter D. D is for doll. D is for doll. D is for dinosaur. D is for dinosaur. D is for deer. D is for deer. D is for dots. D is for dots. D is for dragon fruit. D is for dragon fruit. D is for desk. D is for desk. D is for door. D is for door. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe our channel, like and share with your friends. Bye bye.